Hello, my name is Isabel Buitrago. I am 28 years old. I am studying at the UNAD in the psychology program. I am in the 8th semester. I was last Christmas with my family and my husband in Medellin, Santa Fe de Antioquia, and Guatapé. We were also in Lake Calima. The recipe I chose from my Quindío region was the mont ear stew. Preparing a recipe mont ear stew. Mont ear stew is a very popular dish in the Calarca. It's very easy to make and delicious over banana leaf and white rice with avocado on the side. Ingredients: 3 beef, 2 under 15 grams indian and chest and tail, 500 grams yaca, 400 grams banana, 800 grams potatoes, 2000 grams rice, 500 grams avocado, arepa, garlic, cilantro, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 cup chopped onion, 1 cup chopped tomato, 8 potatoes peeled and cut in cuts, 6 cups weight, 1 teaspoon salt. Instructions: in a pressure cooker pot, add water and place the 3 beef meats for 1 hour. In a pot, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. At the onion and satay in chopped onions are translucent about 3 minutes. Then add the tomatoes, garlic, salt, and satay for 5 more minutes. In a pressure cooker pot, add the beef, the potatoes, banana, yaca, and cilantro, and cook for an additional 20 minutes. Serve over banana leaf in the white rice, the beef, the potatoes, the yaca, the banana, and on top add the stew, add avocado. I invite to try the different gastronomic specialties of Quindío, such as the paisa tree, the empanadas, the stuffed potatoes, the stewed potatoes, the chocolate arepas. Thank you very much for the attention given, and I wait for you in my region. Thank you. Goodbye.